Hello YouTube. This is Knex Creator. Hey guys, I'm friends with QBY Kid. Check his vids out. They're actually pretty awesome. Okay, here is my new Skydive. It's not a kit. I made it myself. Like after I rode the Skydive at the Great Escape, it inspired me. There he is. Okay. You guys can skip ahead like I don't know, like 20 seconds, I guess. Because the chain lift is kind of long. Like, it's really slow. See, here it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay, he's at the top. Oh, and I forgot you guys, this is the demon. I'll show you, if you look on KBY's videos, this, I have it. Hey, it's about 6 feet tall. This is about 7. So, okay, here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe and make some likes. My goal is to get at least like 20. Okay, bye.